Good morning, students of standard 12th. This instruction is for those students who are very few and are skipping online classes. Students, watching videos of a topic of concerned subject is important, but joining online classes of the concerned subject is also very important, because it is a place where you can interact with the concerned teacher after the completion of the class. So students, please join online classes. Thank you, students. Students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 9, food production. Topic: dairy. Dairy. It is the branch of animal husbandry in which cattle are reared for obtaining milk and milk products. Students, dairy is the branch of animal husbandry in which you can notice that cattle are being reared for obtaining milk and milk products. And this concept is also quite clear from the diagram. Types of cattle. There are two types of cattle which are reared for obtaining milk. Indigenous cattle. The cattle which are originating naturally in a particular place is called indigenous cattle. The cattle which are originating in a particular place. So the cattle which are originating naturally in a particular place is called as indigenous cattle. Students, the example of indigenous cattle is Gir. Generally, ghee originates in Gujarat, but also is found in Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Exotic cattle. The breeds of cattle which originate in distant foreign country is called as exotic cattle. Students, the breeds of cattle which originate in distant foreign country is called as exotic cattle. Example, Holstein Friesian. Students, in the picture you can notice the exotic variety of the cattle, that is Holstein Friesian. Artificial insemination. It is the process to obtain hybrid varieties of cattle by injecting sperm of desired ox into genetical tract of desired cow. Students, artificial insemination is the process to obtain hybrid varieties of cattle where the sperm of the desired ox is injected into the genetical tract of the desired cow. Students, this process leads to the production of hybrid varieties of cattle Students, from the picture it is very easily understandable that there is an egg and which is being fertilized by the sperm, but the egg which has been used here is the egg of the desired variety of cow, and the sperm which has been used here is the sperm of the desired variety of ox, which is further injected into the genetical tract of desired cow. Dairy farm management. It is the management of animals for milk and its products. It depends primarily on quality of breeds. Students, dairy farm management is actually the management of animals with the help of which we can obtain milk and its products. It depends on primarily on the quality of breeds. So students, we can notice here in this diagram that the cattle are being reared for milk and its products, and the quality of the breeds of the cattle will affect the quality of milk production and its products. Students, now let us discuss a very important question, that is, explain dairy farm management. It deals with process to improve quality and quantity of milk. Cattle is fed with good quality of fodder. There should be adequate water supply. So, students, we can easily understand that farm management is a process which improves the quality and quantity of milk. Cattle is fed with good quality of fodder and which should be further provided with adequate water supply. Hygiene also should be maintained while milking, storage and transport of milk and its products. So, students, these all processes collectively is called as dairy farm management. Thank you, students.